Hello everyone, welcome to the WooCommerce Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to create and customize a product grid and masonry layout. Make sure that WooCommerce Slider Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click All Sliders and then click Add New to create a new slider and give it a title. Below that you'll find several configuration tabs to create and customize your grid and masonry layout. Go to Template Settings Customization tab and select Layout Preset as Grid. Click Show Preview and you can see this is how a grid layout looks like initially. As you are creating a grid layout, you may look forward to the pagination options. Go back to the template settings and scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the pagination related properties. You can select pagination type from normal, Ajax number, load more button Ajax, load more on scroll Ajax. Before explaining the pagination types, let's publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the WooCommerce Product Slider Pro button bar block. Select the shortcode and you will get a preview of it. Publish the page and view it. So this is how a grid layout display in your web pages. Now go back to the pagination features. The first pagination type is normal. So this is the normal pagination. Click on the second pagination to load more post. Next one is Ajax number pagination. Select it, update the shortcode and refresh the page. So this is Ajax number pagination. Click on the second pagination to load more post without refreshing the page. This is an advantage of the Ajax pagination. Next one is load more button Ajax. Select it, update the shortcode and refresh the page again. You can see a load more button appears instead of the number. So this is the load more pagination. Also, you can see a message which showing how many products are loaded from your total products. Also, you can see a message which showing how many products are loaded from your total products. Click on the load more button to see more post. The last one is load more on scroll pagination. Select it, update the preview and refresh the page again. On this pagination, more post loaded on page load. As you can see, this is how the load more on scroll pagination works. Go back to the pagination properties and select load more button Ajax and configure the load more button text, pagination alignment, ending message, viewed counter message, products to show per and pagination color from here. Items to show per page means how many products you want to show per pagination. By default the value is set to 8. If I set it to 10 and update the shortcode and refresh the page, then you can see 10 products are loaded on per pagination. Now scroll to the top of the template settings. Here you can create a custom template or you can go for pre-made templates. There are 28 pre-made templates available to showcase your products, and each of the templates has their own customization properties which will be visible once you click on them. For the custom template, you will have the full access to each content you want to show in the slider. Like you can set content position from 5 different options: content padding, background, border, box shadow and inner padding. Suppose you want to create a product showcase with overlay content. So select content position as overlay and configure the overlay content related properties. Let's customize a width to give it a better look. Okay, the customization has done. If I update the preview, you can see how beautifully the products are showing in a grid layout with overlay content. If I update it and reload the page again, then you can see the customization is showing in the web pages as well. Let's turn on the section title. Now if you want, you can set box shadow or content padding, inner padding as you like. Let's select box shadow and update the shortcode, refresh the page. You can see a box shadow appears below the product image. It is not visible. Let's set the inner padding to 15 pixel each. Now update the shortcode again and refresh the page. Then you can see the box shadow is visible now. In this way, you can design your own custom template and showcase them in a grid layout. Go to the image settings configuration tab and customize the properties as per your need to give your product showcase an elegant look. Now go to display options and enable the description for products. It's time to show how the masonry layout looks like. So select masonry from template settings. Now update the shortcode and refresh the page. So this is how masonry layout looks like, but before that I would like to change the content position to bottom instead of that and change the text color to default. Okay, and I have to do one more thing, which is reduce the product to show per page value to give it a better look. Okay, you can see how beautifully the masonry layout looks like now. There are so many options to customize your product showcase and obtain your desired design. I have shown you only a few core features. Check the plugin documentation and demo videos to get more ideas. That's all about creating and customizing the product grid and masonry layout. In the next video, I'll come up with another attractive feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.